7x14 Lamar trailers dump trailer. Got a 14,000 pound GVWR, the low pro edition. All steel frame, welded A-frame tongue. It's the hydraulic scissor lift. Tarp kit, 16-inch tires and wheels. This has the Lamar trailer's rigid rails system. Also has a 2-foot mesh extension. Back you have your rear gate. So it has 5-foot slide-in ramps. On the inside you have 4 D-ring tie rounds. So this is a forged coupler, 7-gauge floor. Also has a wraparound tongue. Give us a call, 863-66-RIGHT, or visit us anytime at righttrailers.com.